A conversation between two friends on good health.
Hello, Jenny. How are you?
I am not fine. What about you?
I am fine. But what happened to you?
Nothing serious, but I feel very weak.
It seems to me you are very careless about your health.
Maybe you do not take physical exercise regularly.
Yes, you are absolutely right. I am not habituated to take physical exercise.
If you do not take physical exercise regularly, you cannot keep yourself fit and do anything properly. Besides, you will become idle.
It seems to me you are absolutely correct. Now tell me what I should do.
You should take physical exercise regularly. Apart from this, you should have a balanced diet to keep yourself fit.
What do you mean by a balanced diet? Please tell me in detail.
A balanced diet means to take regular food containing all the necessary ingredients needed for health in right proportion.
I see, both taking physical exercise and eating a balanced diet regularly are very important for good health.
Exactly. I hope you will follow both of the rules to keep yourself fit.
I highly appreciate your wise suggestions. Thank you.
You are most welcome. See you later. Take care of yourself. Bye.
You too, bye.